Hello everyone, welcome to Mathema classes by Purnima ma'am. Today I am here to discuss the most important theorem of triangle, that is basic proportionality theorem, or it is also known as the Thales theorem. This one is the most important theorems in the aspect of board examination and regular examination. Now see what is its statement, what it states. It states that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, first we make one triangle. This one is our one triangle. What it states, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, we draw a line parallel to one side of a triangle. This is a triangle A, B, C, okay, and this one is your D and E. We drawn DE parallel to BC. To intersect the other two sides, this line DE intersect other two sides AB and AC at D and E distinct point. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Means what it states, this ratio is equal to this ratio. Now see what we do. We move for the proof. Before proof, we need to write the given things. What thing is given? In this triangle, triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Okay, DE is parallel to BC and DE intersect AB in D and AC in E, this point. Okay, now what we want to prove? We want to prove the ratio of these two sides are equal, means AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. We need to prove these things. So first of all, we need to do the construction. We write here construction. What we do? Construction is always doing like that. We join these things. Okay. Here is the things. We join these two lines and this one. This thing is the M and this one is your N. So what we do here? What we do here? AD is we just join B and E. Join BE and CD. Okay, done. After that, draw perpendicular. Draw perpendicular from where? D to AE. Draw perpendicular from DM, A perpendicular DM on AE, AE and EN on AD. Okay, student, done. What we do the construction? We just join BE and DC, then draw the perpendicular from EN as on the AD and DM on AE. What is our next step? We need to prove these things. Now come on the proof. When we take the triangle, take these two triangles. See here. Now student, we know about the three types of triangle. One triangle is like that, another triangle is like that, and one is like that. So this one is 90 degree. We know that this is the right angle triangle. Where we plot this triangle's perpendicular, we draw the perpendicular of this triangle as like that. And how we draw this? We draw the perpendicular is like that. Now we use this concept is here. This concept is applicable here. Now see the things. When we take a triangle, what triangle we take? We take a triangle ADE. Triangle ADE. What is its area? Area of triangle ADE. So what we think? In this triangle, this one is the perpendicular on AD. So this one is the base and this one is the height. So what we write here? We write here half into base into height. Our result is half into, what is its base? Base is AD into EN. Then this one is the area of triangle of ADE. Now what is the area of triangle BED? We need to find DEB. Area of triangle DEB. What is it? So see the students, this triangle is like that. This triangle, what type of triangle it is? This type. This perpendicular drawn is here. So this is the base. AB is its, what is its base? Base is its DB. DB is its base and this one EN is its perpendicular. So we write half into DB into EN. Now divide these two triangles. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEB. DEB. What we see here? Half AD into EN divided by half DB into EN. This EN become cancel. This half become cancel. Our result comes to like that is AD upon DB. What is our next is the triangle drawn with the same base, their area becomes equal. That means what? Area of DEB is equal to area of triangle CED. Understand? That means area triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CED. These two areas become same. This named is third. Now by using first, second, third, what we draw? From first, second and third, we draw AD upon DB is equal to AE upon CE. By this way, we prove the statement. Okay, so by this way we prove all these statements. This is the proof of Thales theorem. This one is the very, very, very important theorem with the eyes of board examination also or practical questions also. So students, you should do all these things very carefully. Okay, thank you.